Today we are screening films on issues related to mental health, bullying, and cybersecurity for children. We just watched a short film, That's Life, and we have with us today Mr. Sparsh Banerjee, the director of the film. Sparsh, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Great. We just watched your short film, and a very serious issue you have shown in the film,
Yeah,
and the kind of problem that that teenager is facing and is in dilemma, and so
yeah.
it's a big question mark on his life,
Mm.
that is there because of the health issue. So just tell us something first. Tell us something about yourself. You are a young filmmaker. You're also an actor. I was reading. So just tell us something about your journey as an actor and a filmmaker.
So I have always been in love with films. When I was in sixth grade, I acted in a short film called Upohar, and I won the best child actor in some international film festivals. And as I was young, I thought that okay, now I have to be an actor now because I'm good at this. So then, so I gave acting my shot when I was in 10th and 11th, and it was tough. So I thought that okay, so if I'm not in front of the camera, let's see behind the camera how I can be, and that part is very interesting to me. So yes, so I wrote the script, and in 2 3 days, and yeah, we shot this film.
Great. So how difficult was that decision that you have worked in front of the camera and now you want
Yeah,
to go behind the camera? Generally, everybody is so much interested in working, becoming an actor and coming on the
yeah,
big screen, and shifting from there because you had an experience of working in the film. You also won an
yeah,
award as a
yeah.
as a child actor. Then how difficult it was for you to go behind the camera?
Actually, it was not that difficult because I analyzed films. I have a movie blog. I write a movie blog, and I have analyzed films since I was in eighth standard. And so I gave my time to acting. I self-reflected, and it wasn't the same as writing my own scripts and shooting my own film with my friends, which is the best thing you can do. So yeah.
Yeah, great. But that is something interesting you talked about. You review films, and you have been doing that when you were quite young. You
Yeah.
mentioned you were in eighth standard. So how do
Yeah.
you, as a child, what exactly how you try to review a film? What kind of elements and aspects of the film you generally see as a child audience or as a child reviewer?
So as a child, I thought that like all films are very good. All films are good. Like when I used to go to the theaters, and I used to enjoy each and every film, and then to review it, so then I obviously have to have negative elements. I have to see the negative parts of the film. So I started reading those Times of India newspapers in which there are many film reviews and YouTube videos, film reviewers, and I tried to see that, and then I understood, oh, there's so much of the negative
So
part as well.
more critical way
More
of
critical.
viewing films. Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
So now then, like as I knew the bad parts, then I knew how to appreciate the good parts. I knew what the good parts were. So that was a very interesting thing.
Great. So what are you
Yeah.
doing currently? Are you studying or you have finished your studies?
No, I'm in 12th grade. I'm 17 years old.
Okay.
My board exam is going to be, I think, in 25 days. So,
Okay. All the
yeah,
best. All the best for the
thank you.
exams. And where are you
Thank you.
based in India?
I'm in Pune. I live in Pune.
Okay, you live in Pune. Okay, great.
Yes.
So coming to your short film, That's Life. I think it's
Yeah.
your first film, if I'm not wrong.
It's my first film. Yes.
Yeah. So for your first film, why you chose such a serious issue? Why not a fun-loving film related to maybe life of children or life of around youth or anything which is contemporary, which is interesting, fun-loving? Instead of that, why you decided to choose a very serious issue in your short film?
So I think as an artist, I want to make films which have an impact. Whatever it be, whatever I do in the future, I want to make films which have an impact, and the audience can leave the seeing the film like thinking that they have seen something, they are awestruck or something like that. And I had to be honest with myself. So everywhere I see, I have many friends who have who don't want to get into IIT, but they are forced or they are told, IIT, all the people in our family are engineers, so you have to be one as well. And so they actually live their parents' life, not theirs.
True. True.
So
I totally agree with you.
yeah,
And
so
that is absolutely wrong.
that's
One,
absolutely wrong because they lose their own identity, and their own identity is suppressed, and they live in regret. They will regret what they couldn't do. So I
true.
wanted to show that.
Great. No, I think it's a wonderful attempt by you. And in future, what are the issues that you would like to work on as a director, as a filmmaker?
So I want to show issues which are very emotionally resonant with the common people. So which hits in the heart. Some topics like that. So one more thing I just like to add that so as I'm a student, not many films, not many people who start young in filmmaking, and they don't think that we can show something emotional and like show it as not only a creative endeavor, but to as a community. They don't do that enough because they're kind of shy, kind of scared that what if they will, like, other friends, will they help me or not? Because this filmmaking thing is a very good communal experience. So making films which are emotionally resonant, that's what I want to do.
Great, great. So you just mentioned that you are in class 12th and you'll be appearing for the board exams very soon. So
Yeah.
how difficult it was to take out time and make a film and, do almost all the work in that film and present it to the audience?
So actually, I wanted to make one short film when I was in 11th or 12th. I had decided that, and then coronavirus hit us, and I had to be at home, like, and I was not able to do anything. And but like this December, I shot this film in this December, and I last December, to be honest. And I asked my dad that I want to make this film now. It's been a lot of time. I want to make this film. And he said no at first. He said, your boards are coming now. If you like get into filmmaking, you have to be 100% in it. And if you're not 100% in it, then you won't be able to give it justice. So, which is absolutely right. So then after 2 days, like, kind of, I mustered up my courage and I asked him, give me 10 days. I'll just shoot this film. Give me 10 days. I'll make this. I'll finish this. And if it is not finished in 10 days, it's fine. So in 10 days, with my group of friends, I wouldn't have been able to do it with my friends. With them, I made it in 10 days, the whole thing. It was very fun.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah.
No, that's a wonderful attempt towards filmmaking, and my best wishes and best wishes of our entire team
Thank
are with you, and you evolve into a mature and serious filmmaker in the coming years. We would love to see more films made by you, and also best wishes for the 12th exam that you are going to appear in the coming months. So,
Thank you.
Sparsh, I was lovely talking to you, and we really liked your film, and hope to see you again in our festival in another platforms as well. So, thank you so much for joining us today in Golden Bee International Children's Film Festival.
Thank
See
you
you
so
again.
much. See you
Thank
again.
you.
Bye.
Bye bye.